The OnePlus 13s is here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship killers of 2025. In a market crowded with premium smartphones from every major brand, OnePlus once again aims to strike the perfect balance between cutting-edge hardware, polished software, and an attractive price point. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into everything the OnePlus 13s has to offer, from its stunning display and powerful new chipset to its revamped camera system, massive battery, and everything in between. So make sure you watch till the end, because there's a lot to uncover about this impressive new device. Let's begin with the front of the device, the display, which is absolutely gorgeous this year. The OnePlus 13s features a 6.67-inch OLED panel, offering a crisp resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels. That's a pixel density high enough to make everything from tiny text to high-resolution videos look razor-sharp. As expected from a flagship, it comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth animations, ultra-responsive scrolling, and an overall premium feel while using the phone. But what truly elevates the viewing experience is the support for HDR content. Whether you're watching Netflix, YouTube, or gaming, HDR enhances colors, deepens blacks, and boosts highlights, offering a much more lifelike visual experience. The panel's peak brightness is impressive as well, meaning you'll have no trouble using it even under direct sunlight. Overall, this display is built to satisfy even the most demanding users, whether they prioritize entertainment, gaming, or professional content creation. Underneath that sleek exterior, the OnePlus 13s is powered by Qualcomm's newest beast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is a next-generation processor built on a highly efficient architecture, promising not just raw speed, but also excellent power efficiency. It's designed to handle everything from heavy multitasking and demanding 3D games to AI-based applications with ease. OnePlus has paired this chipset with fast memory configurations, ensuring that apps load quickly and background tasks stay ready without delay. Whether you're switching between multiple high-end games, editing 4K videos on the go, or running intense productivity apps, the OnePlus 13s won't break a sweat. It's a true powerhouse intended for users who demand the best performance without compromise. Moving to the cameras, OnePlus has made some thoughtful upgrades this year. The OnePlus 13s comes equipped with a dual camera setup on the back, and though it may sound minimal compared to triple or quad setups seen on other flagships, the quality here speaks for itself. The primary shooter is a 50-megapixel sensor featuring optical image stabilization, or OIS, which helps minimize shakes and produce clear, stable shots, even in low-light situations, or when you're capturing fast-moving subjects. Complementing this is a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, providing outstanding zoom capabilities while maintaining image sharpness. Thanks to this hardware, zooming into distant subjects, whether it's a building across town or an action shot at a concert, yields remarkable detail without the typical loss in quality. It's a versatile setup that covers wide-angle and zoom photography beautifully, without the gimmicks, ensuring that every shot you take is social media ready right out of the camera. When it comes to battery life, OnePlus is making sure that users don't have to constantly worry about running out of power. The OnePlus 13s houses a massive 6,000 mAh battery, a major upgrade over its predecessors. This is one of the largest batteries we've seen in a OnePlus flagship so far. Whether you're a power user, a mobile gamer, or someone who simply needs their phone to last through long workdays, the 13s has you covered. And when it's finally time to charge up, OnePlus 80W SuperVOOC fast charging technology ensures that you won't be stuck near an outlet for long. You can get a significant top-up in just a few minutes, and a full charge typically takes less than 35 minutes. This kind of battery life, combined with lightning-fast charging, makes the OnePlus 13s a dream device for people constantly on the move. On the design front, the OnePlus 13 stays true to the brand's tradition of delivering minimalist yet premium aesthetics. The device boasts a sturdy build with Gorilla Glass protection on the front and back, offering resilience against accidental drops and scratches. The frame has been meticulously crafted for a comfortable yet solid feel in hand. It's the kind of device that feels premium the moment you pick it up, a perfect combination of beauty and durability. The slight curves along the edges of the screen and back panel make it more ergonomic, while the matte finish on the back helps resist fingerprints, ensuring the phone stays looking clean and sleek throughout the day. Every detail, from the button placements to the overall weight distribution, has been fine-tuned to provide a satisfying user experience. Software has always been a strong selling point for OnePlus, and the OnePlus 13s is no exception. It runs on Android 15, with the company's own Oxygen OS 15 layered on top. Oxygen OS remains one of the cleanest, fastest Android skins available today, offering a near-stock experience with just the right amount of customization. There are useful additions like enhanced privacy settings, smart app management, new productivity tools, and optimizations that make animations feel faster and more responsive. Features like Zen Mode, Shelf, and Work-Life Balance 3.0 continue to make Oxygen OS feel genuinely helpful without being bloated or gimmicky. Plus, with promised long-term software updates, OnePlus 13's owners can expect their devices to stay fresh and secure for years to come. Overall, the OnePlus 13s is a compelling package. It's a phone that doesn't just chase specs for the sake of it. It's about delivering a refined, balanced experience that users will appreciate every single day. The stunning OLED display, the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the incredibly versatile 50MP dual-camera setup, the gigantic 6,000 mAh battery with blazing fast charging, the premium design, and the clean Oxygen OS software, all come together to create a smartphone that truly feels complete. If you're in the market for a new flagship and want something that offers top-of-the-line features without the ultra-premium price tag seen in some competitors, the OnePlus 13s deserves a serious look. So what do you think about the OnePlus 13s? Does it check all the boxes for you, or were you expecting something even more revolutionary? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions. And if you enjoyed this deep dive review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Explorer for more detailed tech videos like this one, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.